Circle Food project is based in Hurst Park in Ashington, and you can pop in any time. We are generally around Monday to Friday. We are always looking for volunteers, whether that is with the Cycle Hub or cooking. Or gardening, or getting involved in different events and going out and about and showcasing the smoothie bike. We have worked collaboratively with Ashington Town Council for a good number of years now, and they're very, very supportive of everything that we do.
Ashington Town Council, helping everyone in their community. Ashington Town Council grant scheme, always by your side.
This grant ensures that we can have some qualified, trained staff so that they can give the hands-on experience and teach them the skills that they have to repair the bikes, but also that we've got people that can take them out on a lead ride. The Ashington Cycle Hub was originally founded by Cycling for Everyone, and it's always been in Hurst Park, and it's always been at our venue, and it just seemed a sensible option to put it under our charity and under our umbrella, as it aligns to our objectives and our sustainability goals. And I think the support from Ashington Town Council is amazing. It's not just the grant, it's the support afterwards. So they will be part of our relaunch, and hopefully some councillors will turn up and just give us that little extra support and be more involved in the project. And then for people that actually cannot afford a bike, we have a scheme where we are donated bikes and we fix them up. So we are upcycling the bikes so they are safe to ride, and then people can come in and for a very discounted rate, they can purchase a bike. Say for instance, people that's never ridden a bike before, we work with cycling experts that take them out on a little ride, like a bikeability session. So it could be like a couple of weeks, see how they get on, and then it's giving them the skills and confidence to get on a bike and cycle as a way of for leisure or for commuting. The Ashington Cycle Hub specifically will have a page on our website. You can donate bikes as well, so if you're getting a bike for Christmas and you want to get rid of your old bike, then please bring it along to us and we'll upcycle it and give it to someone that needs it.